We're all out there at some point watching each other's back. I'm Andrea.
I'm Heidi Gavorcik.
And I'm Linda.
We do a little bit of everything. We plow roads, fix guardrail, fix potholes, we pave, we pick up trash. It's always something new every day.
It's a great job. There's a lot of variety. The office is the most beautiful place.
We're all out there at some point watching each other's back.
Linda and I, we plow Westvale Pass. I think our biggest challenge is the traveling public.
And we got to be watching out for each other. Just don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, because they're gonna get dirty.
You are who you are, and you bring value to the table every day, all the time. It's going to be hard, but it's absolutely doable. It takes a special kind of person.